In primetime news this evening, Justice Ministry launches investigation into leaked video of murder accused being questioned by JPs. Husband in custody after 67-year-old woman found dead in her home. And one Don gang trial hits another snag.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, what are your views on the leaked video of murder accused Roshane Barnett while he was being interviewed by Justices of the Peace? You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.